How to create cameos on Snapchat. So if you want to create cameos on Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. After opening your Snapchat, now you just need to simply go with the chat, and under the chat here you will have the voice icon right on the middle of your screen. On the right side you will have the cameo option. So you need to just simply tap on the cameo, and then you need to swipe. After swiping, you will have an option to create. Swipe again. Here on the bottom left you may have create icon. You can tap on create and you can go with get started. You need to select an option below. After that, center your face, and then you need to select from the bottom and then go with continue. And now you can choose your outfit and then done. Now you can again go with the option, and from here you can swipe. Here on the bottom you will have create your cameo option, but if you don't find the cameo, then you just need to simply go back and you need to go with the upper left, which has that profile icon, and from the profile you need to go with settings, which is on the top right, and under your settings you need to scroll down, and here you may have cameo option. So you just need to simply go with cameo, and then you will be able to create your cameo. Or if you don't find it here also, then you just need to simply swipe down, scroll down from your profile, and here on your profile on the bottom you may have your option, which is right here. You will have create my selfie. You need to tap on it, and from here you'll be able to create your cameo. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.